By pleading true to violation of condition number 16, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. So you had better make sure that there is no more tampering with this device. You are looking at 10 years in prison.
Welcome to my channel, Court Shock TV.
Calling 2019 CR 5880, State of Texas versus Samantha Nicole Saldana. Could I have parties announced for the record? For the state?
Daniel Escobar from the state of Texas.
Defense?
Andres Campi from Saldana.
Are you Samantha Nicole Saldana?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Samantha Nicole Saldana who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 5880 for the offense of intoxication assault on October 28, 2020 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violated condition number 16 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Samantha Nicole Saldana, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of transdermal alcohol monitoring, in that the device was tampered with from August 13th of 2023 at 4:07 p.m. until August 14th, 2023 at 12:13 a.m. in violation of condition number 16.
Did you say August 23 or August?
Oh, August 13th, sorry, Judge, 2023.
Wait, August 13?
August 13th to August 14th.
All right, I don't have that in my motion.
Yeah, that was the motion that we had.
So violates the first one.
This one?
Yes.
All right, it just says August 1st through August 31st.
No.
Oh, you're reading from the first violation of 16.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Thank you. LaShawn, you were right there to say, here it is. Yes, there is. All right, how do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
State? Your Honor, the state waives all the violations.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 16, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 16?
Yes.
Court will find violation of 16 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. Alternate amendment for 90 days of scram plus regular and random UAs and ETGs and a zero tolerance.
Yeah, I really don't do zero tolerance. Is that the proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, with the caveat that if there are no positive readings from the UATGs after the 90 days, that requirement and the scram requirement be removed, I think is the.
And that's correct, Judge.
All right. And we have Kiana Neal on Zoom. Could you unmute, please? Could you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Kiana Neal.
All right, any objections to the witness appearing by Zoom? State?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, does anyone have any questions?
Your Honor, I think we'd spoken with the probation officer earlier, but if the court has any questions, the state would object.
All right, so probation, are you in agreement with this recommendation from both the state and the defense?
I don't know if she was present when we.
They're asking that she be continued and that she be placed on scram and do sober support meetings.
You're right. I think
Already at most scram.
for the UA and ETG testing and she's already on scram. It's to continue to scram.
Yes. So what are your recommendations?
My recommendation is that she continue on scram and a TAP evaluation, follow any and all recs from TAP. She's eligible to get the device removed if she has 2 consecutive months of zero tampers or bracks.
All right, so somebody explain to me, what is this tampering? Was it tampered with or is there something else going on?
So, Judge, as far as we could tell, we reached out to RMS yesterday. From what they can gather is that there's something that was going in between the sensor and the defendant's leg. They can't say what it is. We're still able to get readings from it. It still detects some things. There was some detection of alcohol, but we can't quantify or say. It just says detected.
All right, when they say something between the device and her leg, do they mean there was material between, or is there something with the reading?
They couldn't elaborate. So the way that it was described, the way I understood it, Your Honor, was that Recovery Monitoring Solutions gets some information from a subcontracted company called AMS. And the reading that Recovery Monitoring Solutions gets is that there was a tamper with the device. They could not tell us what the quantifiable definition or criteria was to make something to be considered tampering. We tried to call AMS. AMS told us that their contract was not with the county and that they couldn't discuss it with the DA's office, but they could discuss it with Recovery Monitoring Solutions. So we went back and tried to have them set up a meeting, but we were unsuccessful in getting that done prior to this.
All right. Is there anything else from either side?
No.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor. We just
All
asked that
right.
the court follow.
Thank you so much for zooming in. This is what the court is going to do. The court notes that since you were placed on probation in 2020, this is your first motion to revoke. The court is finding 16 true. Court will deny the motion. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to alter and amend conditions for continued scram until further notice. And there's going to be the UA hotline for 45 days. And make sure that there's a testing for alcohol, just as a safety gap.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm going to do 60 sober meetings in 60 days. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
Probation?
Judge, I would like to continue and go ahead and get the TAP done as well.
All right, there's going to be a TAP evaluation. Follow TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, then you all can come back here and we'll address it. Probation, is there anything else?
Judge, I just want to urge the court to admonish Ms. Saldana only because we had a compliance hearing in regards to the device. And there still seems to be some type of issue there.
All right. I'm going to admonish her in just a second. Ms. Neal, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you so much for zooming in. I really appreciate it.
All right, thank you. You're welcome.
All right. All right. We're going to go off the record. Here's the thing. This is probation. You're looking at 10 years in prison. You understand? So you had better make sure that there is no more tampering with this device and state. If there's more tampering or alleged tampering with the device, what's going to end up happening is whoever is with the company that is not hired by the county, they'll need to come in and we'll have a hearing. And so the next time, or there should not be a next time, but if this were to happen again, then what's going to end up happening is I'm going to want all the parties who have anything to do with the scram equipment you're wearing to either be here in person or be here by Zoom. But you are looking at 10 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
Your Honor, the concern that I have is the service support meetings. Ms. Saldana does not have a vehicle and she does not have internet at her.
Oh, there's sober support meetings everywhere. Do you have a cell phone? I'm sure that cell phone has internet on it, does it not? No, she's saying yes, it does. So there we go. Everybody's cell phone has internet on it. How old are you?
32.
All right, she's 32. She's young. She can make it happen. There's the library. There's via bus. And last time I checked, I believe the library downtown, the library all over the city has internet access for people who don't have internet access. Am I incorrect on that? Where there's a will, there's a way. I always tell people, if it's important, you treat it like it's important. The most important thing for you right now should be this probation. You know why? because you're looking at possibly 10 years in prison. You understand?
Yeah.
And who is Anthony?
He's my husband.
All right, so you've done that. There's no way to undo it unless you do a cover up. Here's my advice to people. People always want to put other people's names on their bodies. You know what the safe bet to put a name on your body? Love you, mom, your children, or yourself. Because at the end of the day, if you and Anthony, something were to happen and you get divorced and you meet somebody else, what are you going to tell that guy? Oh, that's my child, you know? So there you go. I hope he has his name, your name on his body
He does.
in bolds where everybody can see it. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.